Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing the watch. Place it face down on a soft cloth and mask off the bezel and crystal. Use tape to protect non-stainless areas. Now, take the 3M0 5-micron polish and a clean microfiber. Apply a small dab on the cloth, not directly on the watch. You want control, so start with light circular strokes along the grain. This reduces surface deflection without overpolishing. Once done, brush dust away gently with the small brush before moving to the next step. You continue by matching the metal grain. Find its direction and begin small circular motions, then shift to long strokes that follow the grain. Apply slightly more pressure if scratches persist, but increase pressure gradually so you don't remove too much material. Every 30 to 60 seconds, stop and inspect under good light. For tight areas, use a 1/2 pad or cotton swab with polish. Make sure to change to a clean microfiber often, because abrasive particles trapped in cloth will create new scratches. You finish by removing all polish residue with a damp cloth, then dry and buff with a fresh microfiber until the sheen matches surrounding metal. If scratches are deep, address them earlier with 800-1200 grit sandpaper. Work lightly, then repolish to blend. Make sure to always follow the grain when restoring the final texture. If the finish looks uneven, one key troubleshooting tip: reapply a very light abrasion along the grain and repolish. This corrects grain mismatch without overcutting the surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.